Hey everyone, my name's David Bowden with Clear Series, and I just want to say thank you for walking through our Clear Series reading plan. If you want to learn more about what we're doing at Clear Series to reach people with the good news of Jesus through videos like these, we invite you to go over to www.clearseries.com. That's K-L-E-E-R series.com. And I also wanted to point out that you just experienced all these verses in a really unique way, in a way that maybe you've never experienced them before. But did you know that there are people all over the world who have never experienced these verses in any way because the Bible is not in their language? That's why we are really passionate about partnering with Bible translation organizations like the Seed Company. So to learn more about how you can get involved with Bible translation, we invite you to go to seedcompany.com.